Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for always watching me. Those who have been visiting my channel from time to time, God bless you. If you are a new person here, please do well to subscribe, like and share this video for me, and also leave a comment. So we are going to learn how to make this detachable slip. Okay, so what I have here, it's close to 14, so let 13.5, which is okay. 13 can have 13 by 13. Do you get it? This is also 13 by 13, or you can make it 14 by 14, based on how long you want the sleeve to be. Do you get it? Maybe you want the sleeve to be before your elbow or after your elbow, however long you want it. That's how you're going to make it. And this is unfold. Do you get it? Unfold. Okay, so let's go ahead. So I'm going to come to this line here and I'm going to measure 4.5. 4.5. Now if you have your shoulder, that is your back measurement is 14, 15, you can measure 4. But if it's more than that, 16, 17, going measure 4.5. So 4.5 is what I've measured here. And so on this 4.5, I'm going to measure 2 inches. Okay. And then on this 4.5 also, I'm going to mark 2 inches again. I hope you can see 2 inches again, and then I'll come here by 1 inch. Do you get it? So we are going to join it this way. And then this way. You see, so we have 2 inches here. Let's measure what we have here. 2.5. That is how it's supposed to be. Hope you get it. That's how it's supposed to be. Let's mark this also. Okay. I'm going to join this, the tip here at the 1 inch. So this tip here, okay, so we have it this way. So on this line, I'm going to come up by 3 inches, and then on this, at this point, I'm going to come here by 1.5. So we are going to curve it. I'm going to use this, my curve. Then the next thing we are going to do is to place this here and here, and we are going to mark it. So this is it. And so let me go over again. Here I have like 13.5. I'll trim the edges small, and then so I said 13 by 13, and this is 13. You can make it 14 or more than that. Now because my back measurement is 16, I used 4.5 here. If it's less than that, if it's 15 or less than that, you can use, then you use 4 inches. So 4.5 here, and then on this 4.5, I came here by 2 inches. Hope you get it. And then I measured 2 inches here, and then came here by 1 inch, and then I joined from the 2 inches to the 1 inch, and then from this 1 inch straight to here. And then I stood at this point and then measured 3 inches, and then came up here, measured 1.5, and then curved it to meet it, and then curved here also to meet this. Hope you get it. And so we are going to cut it out now. So this is what you have at the end of the day. So we are going to have 4 of this. So this is it at the end of the day, you see. So we are going to have 4. So I have 4, 2 for each sleeve. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach stiff to 2 of them and then leave the 2. You can decide to attach stiff to all 4. That is your preference. So I'll do that and then I'll come and show it to you. Okay guys, so here is it. I've added stiff to these ones, and then these ones I didn't add any stiff. So what I'm going to do is when I pick one like this, I'm going to join this side by 1/2 inch. I'm going to join it by 1/2 inch. I'll do it all the way down. Then after, the next thing that I'll do is when I open it up this way, you see, make sure that it gets to the middle exactly. Then I'll sew on it also 1/2 inch. Do you get it? I'll do the same for this one, and then I'll do the same for these also, the same thing. Then we'll continue. Okay guys, so I'm done with one. Okay, so this is it. You see the end result. So we are going to do, I'm going to show you how to do this. So after sewing it this way, you're going to join it. So this is the right side, and you look at this one to the right side, so it will meet each other, right side meeting each other. So when you get to the middle here, so this is it, let it meet well. You see, and then locate the middle of this. So this is the middle. I'm going to notch it. Then this one too, just locate the middle. You see. Now notch here also. So it's going to meet each other this way. You see, and I'm going to sew it all through. You see, I'm going to sew it all through. Then in order to turn it outside and get the correct side. We are going to, I'll undo the middle here. I'll undo the middle here and then turn it inside. So I'll sew and then we'll continue. So I'm done joining everything, sewing it together. So I'm going to undo the middle here so that I can turn it to get the correct side. So I'll just turn it this way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push this in and then hold it this way. And I'm going to sew it to close it. So now the next thing to do is to iron it. So you're going to take it to the ironing board and then iron it very well. So in order to get the lines, you see, I'm going to hold this like this. I'm going to hold this one also here. So you see. So we have our two sleeves. So the next thing to do is to attach it to your dress. So what you can do is you can wear the dress and then fix it, or you let your client wear the dress and then fix it and know where you want it to be, or you can also fix it on your mannequin. So you're going to use the mannequin to fix it. So this is the dress on the mannequin, this is the cape. Place it on here and then you know where it fits perfectly. Then you're going to sew on it. Then you take it to the back too. We'll place it here also. And we are going to sew on it. The same way. secure it down very well. And then when you come to the front too, you do the same thing. You secure it down very well, and that will be it. Yes, and that will be it for the dress, for the sleeve. So this is it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. Bye bye.